Today, we have an exciting episode for you as we delve in the world of rare coins. We're going to take a closer look at 4 ultra rare dimes minted between 1992 and 1997, each with its own unique story and value. So without further ado, let's jump into the fascinating history and value of these extraordinary. First things first, let's introduce our stars for today. The ultra rare dimes from the years 1992, 1995, 1996, and 1997. These coins are not your everyday pocket change. They're treasures that hold significant value and historical importance. Let's explore each one individually. The 1992 dime is a true gem. With limited minting and a unique design, this dime has become a sought-after collector's item. But what makes it so special? Stay tuned as we unveil the story behind this vintage beauty. Now, let's take a journey back in time and explore the historical context around each of these ultra-rare dimes. Understanding the events and circumstances during their minting can significantly impact their overall value. This particular coin is a part of the Roosevelt Dime series, featuring a portrait of President Franklin D. Roosevelt on the obverse and an olive branch torch and oak branch on the reverse. Now, let's take a closer look at our 1992 edition. As you can see, the design is intricate, and the condition of the coin plays a significant role in determining its value. Factors such as mint mark, minting errors, and overall wear and tear can affect its rarity and consequently its market price. Now, let's discuss the current market rate and price of the 1992 one dime coin. Keep in mind that coin values can fluctuate based on various factors, including collector demand, rarity, and economic conditions. To get an accurate estimate, I recommend checking reputable coin pricing guides or consulting with a numismatic expert. The 1995 dime, a rare find indeed. What was happening in the world when this dime was minted, and how does it contribute to its scarcity today? Stick around to uncover the fascinating history behind this particular coin. Now that we've uncovered some historical context, let's talk about the value of these ultra rare dimes. What factors contribute to their worth, and how can you determine the value of your own collection? Let's break it down. The 1996 dime, a numismatic treasure, but how much is it worth today? Join us as we explore the key factors that contribute to the value of this rare coin and how you can assess its worth in the market. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of the current rate, let's take a quick trip down memory lane. The 1996 dime was minted in limited quantities, making it relatively rare compared to other dimes from the era. The design features the iconic portrait of President Franklin D. Roosevelt, and the W mark signifies that it was minted in Denver. Now let's jump into the current market value. To determine the current market value of the 1996 dime, we need to consider various factors such as its condition, rarity, and demand among collectors. As of current date, the average market value for a circulated 1996 dime ranges from insert ranges. However, if you have a specimen in uncirculated or mint condition, the value can increase significantly. Keep in mind that these values are subject to change based on market fluctuations. 1997 dime. Before we get into the current rate and price, let's take a moment to appreciate the 1997 dime itself. Minted by the United States Mint, this coin is part of the Roosevelt Dime series, known for its iconic design featuring President Franklin D. Roosevelt on the obverse and a torch, olive branch, and oak branch on the reverse. The Roosevelt Dime series is a favorite among collectors. Now, what makes the 1997 dime particularly interesting? Well, this specific year doesn't have any major design changes, but collectors often value coins from certain years due to their rarity or condition. The 1997 dime is no exception. Its scarcity in circulation and potential variations make it sought after by collectors. All right, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. The current market rate and price of the 1997 dime. Keep in mind that coin prices can vary based on factors like condition, mint mark, and overall rarity. And there you have it, our exploration of 4 ultra rare dimes from the years 1992 to 1997. We've uncovered their unique histories and discussed the factors that contribute to their values. If you enjoyed this journey into the world of rare coins, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the Coin channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our future coin adventures. Until next time, happy collecting.